Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Friday I went to Bristol with my daughter to look at the university there. They were having an open day and she wanted to find out about the courses she's thinking of taking, get a feel for the city and so on. One of the things we did during the day was go on a little tour of the student accommodation, which basically involves a shared room, a room inside a shared flat. Sorry, you get your own room inside the shared flat. And the student who was showing us around was trying to big the place up a little bit and saying, yeah, you get super fast broadband, Wi-Fi, there's a microwave, there's even a fitted oven, there's double glazing. When we came out, my daughter turned round to me and said, that was okay, no, but better than I was expecting. To which I replied by saying, yeah, very swanky, all mod cons. If you say all mod cons about an apartment or a house or a hotel room or something, you basically mean it has all the modern conveniences that you might expect. It has all the machines and the devices that make life easier. You often hear it or see it when you're looking for an apartment. So you might see or hear that the kitchen is fully equipped with all mod cons, including a dishwasher. Or maybe the house is very spacious, it comes with all mod cons, it's handy for the station, and it even has its own garden. Maybe if you're going camping, but you basically don't like camping very much, you might be looking for a slightly more upmarket camping site that comes complete with all mod cons. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd like to see examples of how you might use all mod cons.